ExtremeWeather over here. We are actually looking at my some K values are going increasing over time because it's just so crazy. Maybe on the Thursday, that's what maybe a more daily for the northeast. It's just could be as like around maybe like 45% chance. Who knows what will happen? And also we need to local like Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. There's still a little bit high K values going on right now. And then we'll slow down, then we'll back up at the 10th. We need to keep an eye on it because maybe there's gonna be a good chance of sales or not. Who knows what will happen? Who knows when is a good chance for sales? But the good chance for the great chance. I mean, I was saying when the northeast have a good chance, but the more likely is like in Tornado Alley in Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas region. And also, there's gonna be lots of history, really enough make good thunderstorm ingredients. Also, we need to keep on it, like with the wind shear. I was saying there's gonna be a lot of good wind shear because this system will like lots of crazy stuff going on. Cause, and also maybe there's gonna be good history amount. Yeah, vorticity. Look at that spin. Who knows what's going on with that vorticity? It's going increasing over with that. We need to keep an eye on it in case it will change over time. Who knows what will happen? More likely, you maybe keep on it because each model will show different stuff going on over time. Because still you have like that square viewpoint. You know what I mean? This was inside the square show you the high chance for the high likely have the dew points scenario. And also there's gonna be like wet and dry in the area will bump to the other will impact it to the temperature. And also maybe we'll see in case we'll see some storms going on over time. Because over day, overnight, who knows what will happen, what's going on with these storms. Will happen now for some hail or not for northeast. But we also need to keep on the Texas region or or the good event is for like today, like 8 p.m. Look at those huge cells pop up. We need to keep an eye on it in case we'll move it up. Who knows what's going on with the system? Because we also need to keep an eye